Hi everyone. We're doing 14 plus 4 and Louis here to show us how he did it.
Yeah.
Okay, so Louis, can you make sure that there's 14 here?
Okay, so here's a 10.
Yeah.
And then 4 because 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, and then there's 4 here, right?
Yeah, because 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfecto. Okay, what are you going to do to solve this?
So can we split the 4 into 1 and 3?
Yeah. And Louis, I'll do it right here so that people can see it. See, there's like a little invisible wall there.
Yeah.
Right? But why did you pick 1?
Because I want to get close to the 15 because 15s are my favorite.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, so that's why you didn't do like 2 and 2, because if you did 2 and 2, then it would be 14 plus 2, which is 16.
Yeah.
But not the 15 that you like. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So we split this. So we're going to take up the 14, right? Yeah. And so there's the 14.
Yeah.
Then we add the 1 to get how much?
To get 15.
Your favorite. And then, so 14 plus 1 equals 15. And then we go
18.
Plus the 3. So 15 plus 3 equals 18.
Yeah.
You have some fantastic ideas.
Thanks, bye. Hi everyone. So today we're gonna do 14 plus 4.
And I'm going to help you move things around.
Yeah.
But you've got some like really epic ideas. Okay, so we have 14 plus 4. So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna put the 10 away, ignore it.
Oh, so you're going to like pretend the 1 isn't here. You're going to ignore it. And then you're going to do 4 plus 4?
Yeah, 4
Okay.
plus 4 equals 8.
Okay, so ignoring the 1, 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm going to write that down here. Okay. And then what do you do?
Then I put this back beside 8, then it makes 18. I add the 1.
So you ignore the 1, you go 4 plus 4 equals 8, and then you put the 10 back. So
yeah.
10 plus 8 equals 18.
Yeah.
Fantastic.